Y'all see that? Does that not look delicious? Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Connie's Cooking Channel. Today we're going to make an Instant Pot broccoli and cheese soup. It is going to be delicious. I have some broccoli I'm going to cut up, and I'll show you all the ingredients as we go along. Let's chop up our broccoli. We're going to discard the bottom part of it. Now I've already rinsed off my broccoli. And we want to dice this as small as possible. Well, not dice, but you know, cut it up in small pieces, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to remove the stems. So it should look about like that, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to finish chopping up the broccoli. Once I do this, I'll come back and show you our next step. After you have your broccoli diced up nicely, I'm going to add in my carrots. Forgot to turn my camera back on. So you saw a little bit of carrots in there. Dice half an onion. You can cut up 1 clove or 2 cloves of garlic. So I sliced that up already and diced that along with the onion. So we're going to slide that right into our pot as well. This is such a good recipe to make. It's easy to do. I'm going to add in some salt. Let's add in some black pepper. And again, I'll leave all these measurements below. You can judge how much seasoning you want in here. You know, I love me some pepper, so I'm gonna add me a little bit more pepper. In fact, this container is almost done, so let me just dump that in there. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. It's not going to hurt anything. Let's add a little bit of paprika, just a little bit. And then we have our chicken broth. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of butter. Now my butter is melted, so give me 1 second to get it off of here. And because this is a pressure cooker, I'm not worried about cutting up that butter because it's going to pressurize in there for us just fine. Let me wash my hands. Now we have all our ingredients in there. We are ready to cover. There we go. Make sure you seal your Instant Pot right there. Push it back. Now I did stir my ingredients inside the Instant Pot and resealed it, so do that before you start it. We're gonna pressure cook this for 1 minute manually on high. Let's do a countdown here. And I'm going to allow this Instant Pot to do a natural release. Once it's done, I'll come back and we'll do the next step. You'll know it's a natural release once that silver pin at the top drops down. We can open the lid. Well, our pin has dropped. As you see, it's been 16 minutes above the 1 minute. So now we are ready to open this. I'm actually going to move my camera so you can actually see inside the pot. So as you can see, the pin has actually dropped right there. It got stuck in there. It didn't want to release it. So this is how it looks on the inside. I'm gonna grab a spoon, ladies and gentlemen, so you can see the process thus far. Our veggies are soft, which we need. I am now going to add in our cheese and our cream. And we're going to give this a stir. Now I may add more cheese. I'm going to play it by ear for right now. because we do want some cheesy broccoli soup. Let's add just a tad bit more cheese in there, ladies and gentlemen. Now let's give that a stir. This is going to be delicious. It's fall almost, so we are going to start making a lot of soups, preparing ourselves for the season. And plus I'm in school, so I don't have a whole lot of time to spend in the kitchen. So my Instant Pot will be used along with my crock pot, probably for the fall and winter months, ladies and gentlemen. Now we definitely want to thicken this up. Inside this bowl, I'm going to add cornstarch. We're gonna make a slurry. So equal parts. And I'm gonna grab a spoon or a fork. In this case, this is right here. Just gonna mix that up together. This is gonna make our soup thick, ladies and gentlemen. Whenever you're making something and you want some thickness to it, you can add some slurry to it. Like I said, it's equal parts. And we're just gonna pour that right in there. Voila. And let's give this a nice stir to get our thickness. I'm gonna cancel it and press it on saute. I'm gonna stir this until we get to our right consistency. Oh yes, y'all. If you want more thickness, you can add some more slurry in there. I'm gonna add some more cheese. I decided to use some Kobe instead of the other, just to switch it up just a tad bit. What do y'all think about that? Does that not look delicious with the carrots and broccoli? Easy recipe, y'all. Y'all can do this within 15 minutes. Go ahead and prep everything the night before. When you get home from work, just throw it all into the Instant Pot, and your children and your family will be happy. I kid you not. Does this not look delicious, ladies and gentlemen? Y'all see that? Does that not look delicious? You can eat this with some crackers of your choice. You can even eat it with some garlic bread. Y'all want some? Let me grab some for you. Y'all get a bite? Does that not look delicious? Our cheesy broccoli soup. If you haven't done so already, like the video and share the video with your friends and family. Share, 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 share. We're almost to our next milestone of 10,000 subscribers. We can do it, ladies and gentlemen. Leave your question, your comment, or your suggestion below, and I will respond. And if you haven't done so already, hit the subscribe button for me and the bell next to it so you'll be notified on my next video upload. Until then, God bless you. Y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you again on the next video. Perfect.